Have you ever wondered how to become an ethical hacker of cybersecurity? Imagine being the superhero who safeguards our vills to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities. This is the digital equivalent of a knight's quest, where your sword and shield are your knowledge of coding and cybersecurity protocols. The importance of ethical hacking in today's world cannot be overstated. With every business, every transaction, every interaction moving online, the need for cyber guardians has never been greater. The role of an ethical hacker is not just intriguing, but comes with great responsibilities. You are the custodian of data integrity, the gatekeeper of privacy, the sentinel of the digital frontier. Remember, becoming an ethical hacker is not just about learning to hack, but it's about hacking for a good cause. So, what does it take to become an ethical hacker? But it's not just about coding. You'll also need a solid understanding of networking. After all, the internet is a network of networks. Knowing how data moves from point A to point B, how firewalls function, and what makes a network secure or vulnerable is critical. So delve into TCP/IP protocols, learn about different types of servers, and get comfortable with operating systems. Then there's the big one, cybersecurity principles. This is where you'll need a deep understanding of encryption, authentication, intrusion detection systems, and much more. This knowledge will form the backbone of your ethical hacking skills, allowing you to identify vulnerabilities and devise strategies to counter them. But remember, ethical hacking isn't a static field. It's an ever-evolving landscape, with new threats and defenses emerging daily. As an ethical hacker, you'll need to be a lifelong learner. You'll need to keep up with the latest technologies, vulnerabilities, and security practices. It's about staying one step ahead, anticipating threats before they materialize, and always seeking to improve your skills. And it's not just about technical skills. Ethical hacking also requires a certain mindset. It demands curiosity, persistence, and a strong sense of ethics. You'll need to think like a criminal but act like a guardian. You'll need to find the loopholes, but instead of exploiting them, you'll be plugging them. So it's a tall order, but it's a rewarding one. Ethical hacking is about making the digital world a safer place. It's about defending against the bad guys and protecting the innocent. It's a role that's as challenging as it is fulfilling. Mastering these skills sets the foundation for your journey into ethical hacking. Degree or certification in cybersecurity or a related field can provide you with the theoretical knowledge necessary to comprehend the intricacies of the cyber world. To know. Therefore, continuous learning is key. Not only should you aim to keep up with the latest trends and threats, but you should also strive to deepen your understanding of foundational concepts. Now, where does one go for this continuous learning? The internet is, unsurprisingly, a treasure trove of resources. There are countless online courses that cater to various levels of expertise, from the beginner dipping their toes into the world of cybersecurity to the seasoned professional seeking to brush up on the latest advancements. But it's not just about structured learning. Books can offer in-depth insights into specific areas of cybersecurity. They allow you to explore topics at your own pace, diving deep into the complexities of ethical hacking. And let's not forget about the wealth of knowledge that lies in cybersecurity forums. These platforms not only provide a space for discussion and knowledge exchange, but they also keep you connected to a community of peers who share your passion for ethical hacking. However, as with any skill, in the world of hacking, it's vital to understand the rules. It determines its legality and morality. The difference between an ethical hacker and a cybercriminal lies in this very intention. You're like a locksmith hired to pick a lock, not a burglar exploiting it. The key term here is authorized. Without permission, the same actions could land you in hot water legally and tarnish your professional reputation. It's also worth noting that ethical hacking isn't a free-for-all. You're bound by the scope of your agreement with the entity that has authorized the hacking. Venturing outside this agreement is not just unprofessional, it's also illegal. The rule of thumb is to stick to the agreed-upon parameters and always maintain a high level of professionalism. So how does the law view hacking? Well, it varies from country to country, but generally, unauthorized access to computer systems is a criminal offense. The United States, for instance, has the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, which prohibits unauthorized access. In the United Kingdom, similar activities fall under the Computer Misuse Act. But let's not forget about the ethical aspect. As an ethical hacker, you're expected to report any vulnerabilities you find and not exploit them for personal gain. You're expected to respect privacy and confidentiality, and you're expected to keep your skills sharp and up to date, as cybersecurity is a fast-paced field. So as you embark on this journey to become an ethical hacker, bear in mind the legal and ethical boundaries that come with the territory. It's not just about being tech-savvy, it's also about being trustworthy, responsible, and above all, ethical. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, certifications, and job prospects. You see, in the world of cybersecurity, having the right certification can make a world of difference. Certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, and the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, are not just pieces of paper. They are a testament to your skills and dedication. They tell your potential employers that you've got what it takes to protect their digital assets, abilities, and weaknesses in systems using the same knowledge and tools as a malicious hacker, but in a lawful and legitimate manner. This certification is a great starting point for anyone aspiring to make a career in ethical hacking. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more advanced certification, the OSCP might be right up your alley. It's a hands-on and practical certification that requires you to successfully exploit and interpret vulnerabilities in a simulated environment. The OSCP tells the world that you can roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty when it comes to cybersecurity. But what do these certifications actually mean for your job prospects? Well, let's put it this way. With the increasing threats to cybersecurity, the demand for ethical hackers is skyrocketing. Industries ranging from finance and healthcare to government and defense are all on the lookout for skilled ethical hackers to safeguard their systems. Whether you're eyeing a role as a penetration tester, security analyst, or a vulnerability assessor, having a CEH or OSCP certification under your belt can give you a competitive edge. Moreover, these certifications can also lead to higher pay scales, with certified ethical hackers often earning significantly more than their non-certified counterparts. So while the journey to becoming an ethical hacker requires dedication and hard work, the payoff can be incredibly rewarding. Remember, certifications not only validate your skills, but also open doors to numerous opportunities, but a continuous journey. You start by building a strong foundation in computer sciences, then hone your skills with specialized training and certifications. But remember, the learning never stops. New threats emerge every day, and you must stay ahead. Passion is the fuel that drives this journey. You'll need to be excited by challenges, relish the thrill of solving complex problems, and have the tenacity to persist when things get tough. Above all, ethics is your guiding principle. You're not just a hacker, you're an ethical hacker, a guardian of cyberspace. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey and make a difference in the world of cybersecurity?